Today, I am sharing a secret glitch in Black Blast that can help you achieve record-breaking high scores. Let's dive into the exact steps you need to follow to master this glitch and boost your score. First, make sure your Black Blast app is updated to the latest version. Glitches can be patch specific, so visit the App Store, check for updates, and install them before proceeding. Once you open the game, enter a standard mode match. Focus on an area where you can create a chain of combos. This will help you activate the glitch and take advantage of its scoring system. The glitch is triggered by pausing and resuming the game in rapid succession. While completing a block placement near a combo, start by placing a block to almost complete a row. Then pause the game. Resume it immediately and continue playing. Repeat this a few times for the multiplier to kick in. Now once the multiplier is active, focus on completing multiple rows or chains in one move. The glitch amplifies the score for each cleared combo, so try to set up your blocks for maximum efficiency. Now practice makes perfect. If glitch doesn't work on your first try, start another game and repeat the process. It might take a few attempts to nail the timing, but once you do, your scores will skyrocket. And there you have it. That is how you can leverage this glitch to dominate Black Blast. If it worked for you, leave a like and share your new high score in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.